Open Projects first. It shows existing work, project type, stage, and safe launch actions so users do not create duplicate workspaces. Open the demo project and confirm the project name before acting. This recording uses a tutorial-safe project, not a private study. The header workflow steps are the research spine: protocol, screening, extraction, analysis, and report. Missing or locked steps are usually a project type, role, or readiness issue. The Chat Panel and Active Workspace tab work together. Before asking AI to do work, make sure the visible tab and project are the intended context.